Okay, so the bearings here, it's like a regular bearing, right? But the inside of it has a taper, and this adapter sleeve has a taper, so it won't go in either direction. It only goes in one way. And this allows you to, and I've got two of them, this allows you to take a shaft that's got a pretty poor tolerance. Here I can even feel a step in it from when I polished it. So you can take a shaft with a poor tolerance and you can give it a slip fit, right? So the slip fit is going to be a much easier fit to dimension or manufacture, because you don't need it to be a genuine like slip. You can have some slop in there. Then the adapter sleeves, let me just straighten it a bit. I need to get the thing on here. There we go. It allows you to just slip it on, and then use these little locking nuts, and let me flip it around so you can see. I'm just taking these, putting them on, and then that's going to be pulling in the adapter sleeve. There we go. And this does two actions. One, it kind of centers it a little. It automatically centers it just like a collet would. So you can have that poor tolerance and then still have it centered. Whereas if you had the poor tolerance and used a set screw, it could take it off axis. But this does the work of centering it, but it also, with that clamping action, holds it in place, right? So that's normally a job for two separate parts. If you want to center it and retain it axially, that's usually done with two separate parts. So let me put this on too. You can see the adapter sleeve being sucked in as you tighten it. But yeah, there it goes. And side.